The different levels of organization of the Earth. From smallest to biggest, the levels of organization go in this order: organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. An organism is any single living thing on Earth. Every day, you encounter many living things, such as the bird singing outside of your window or your beloved pet fish. All of these things are called organisms. Even a person is a single organism. Think about your favorite animal. Mine is a lion. Even these animals are organisms. A population is a group of organisms of the same species that live in the same place. A species is a family of organisms that can produce offspring. In Antarctica, there are about 600,000 penguins. That is a large population of penguins. A community is a group of populations that live and interact in the same area. Communities include all biotic factors, which are living things, that interact with each other, from the bugs in the grass and the fish in the lake to monkeys swinging in the trees. All of these organisms are gathered in the same place and are interacting with each other around the watering hole. This makes a community. An ecosystem is a community of organisms, as well as the abiotic factors, which are the non-living things, that they interact with. This includes all of the animals, fish, birds, and even the rocks, water, and sunlight. All of these organisms are interacting with each other, as well as with the waterfall. Some of the organisms are even climbing on the rocks around the waterfall. Since these organisms are interacting with the abiotic factors, as well as each other, or the biotic factors, this is an example of an ecosystem. A biome is a group of ecosystems that share a similar climate and similar communities. Climates are characterized by precipitation, rainfall or snowfall patterns, and temperature patterns. Some different examples of biomes are deserts, tundras, which are places like Antarctica, and tropical forests, which include places like the rainforests. The biosphere is made up of all of the areas of the Earth that support life. This includes all of the organisms, populations, communities, ecosystems, and biomes. The Earth has many areas that support life. This includes the land, water, and even the atmosphere. The biosphere is made up of all of the smaller levels of organization. From smallest to biggest, the levels of organization go in this order: organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and finally, the biosphere.